Okay. Okay.
We're laying down because we're cool.
Yeah.
That's cold. The pool's right behind us, so it's cold.
Yeah, anyways. So our topic...
Oh, I forget.
Yeah.
Old people?
Yeah.
Yes.
So our topic today...
Old people are old. They're like, geezers, that's cold. Geezers.
Yeah, that's our topic.
That'd be funny if my grandpa watched this.
But like, okay, we were just trying to figure out our topic, and we mentioned old people, or she did, and then her pants were like see-through, so I saw Snoopy written on her butt, her underwear Snoopy, and so I was like, and then she was like, old people have, I was like, Snoopy underwear, and she was like, your grandpa wears Snoopy underwear? Oh my god, it was so funny. Do old people really wear Snoopy underwear?
I don't know, but if they did, that'd be weird, because I do too. Wait, you just told them I wear... Oh, man! I have bunny ears. Oh, look, I can make myself have ears.
That's not our topic.
Oh. It should be, how we can make ourselves have ears. With fingers and toes.
Okay. But old people, like, my grandpa, he sleeps, like, a lot.
Mine doesn't. Mine is, like, really crafty.
My grandma works, so she cannot not work. Does that make sense? I'll just go with it.
Okay.
But like,
No. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's really weird though. They're like total opposites. I don't even know how they got married. But good thing
My grandpa was divorced from my grandma that's dead at this time into my new step-grandma.
Yeah.
So I had 3 grandmas, but then 2 of them died.
Old people die a lot.
Yeah.
It's sad.
Yeah.
I have hiccups. That's sad. Ooh. Holy
We've
crap.
already done 2 minutes?
Yeah, I know.
Dang!
Okay, so like, new take. No.
Yeah, so we can keep this one.
Yeah. Bye.
She keeps hiccuping.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You know what?
So, old people?
I gotta pee.
Oh my gosh, and they're so funny. The old ladies on airplanes? I don't really know, but I just see it on, like, television. Old people on television are funny.
No. Yeah, sorry about her. She's a bit weird.
Me weird? Stop.
I can't help it. It's my body.
So you said never mind.
So yeah. Oh man, this fake girl. That's
I'm
called.
Hey girl, what the heck is that?
I gotta pee really bad.
Go in the pool.
Ew.
I dare you to.
No.
Jump in the middle.
Okay, so like Amanda said girls have
we have a
testicles.
pool. Right there.
Ew. Amanda said girls have...
This one is big! Whoa, Haley! You got me a big hood! Wow!
I gotta pee.
That's pretty cool hood.
So, Amanda said that girls had testicles.
No, I can't. I'm a witch.
Anyway,
But like,
I was talking about guys, and then I'm totally changing the subject. Sorry.
who cares? So, if you guys want to... this piece of hair, it's like...
It's about to go to that side. Okay, so what were you saying? If you guys
want to hear about old people, then...
let's talk about it yourselves.
Yeah! Or go to a nursing home. What if they have moms that nurse there? I work in a nursery. I was supposed to work in there today, but I kind of ditched it.
the hat and your eyelashes. Need to get
The hat?
What
What is that?
The string from the hat.
Oh, it was been bugging me. Where? Yeah, finally! God!
Oh, yeah. Okay, I think that's the end of our conversation.
Cassie started peeing.
No, I didn't. That's you kicking the pool. Oh! Okay. A. You're gonna get the camera.
You're gonna get the camera. What the heck am I doing?
I gotta pee really bad.
Go pee then.
As you're falling down, my heart beats the same, and the tears fall right down your face.
Thank you for watching the old people in Hiccups. This is combined with Bob Production and Catastrophe Production. We're together. They're not like that, but... Are you sure? Oh. Okay. I mean... We're in there. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you. Oh, bye. Love you. Love you. Love
Bye,
you.
Mom.
Love you. Only Haley can do that, but love you.